Hi, boys and girls. We are going to start our next unit in math about shapes. You can see our standard is to recognize and draw shapes having specific attributes such as the number of angles and the number of sides. We'll talk about identifying triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, and cubes. So our essential question is, how can I identify those triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, and hexagons? Hint, you count the number of sides and angles. And can a new shape be formed from a different shape? So the first thing you're going to need to know, of course, is important vocabulary. Our vocabulary for this unit is side, which is a line segment that forms a part of two-dimensional shapes. You can see that these line segments here have an end, and they go all the way around the shape. It is a closed figure. Angles are where the two line segments meet. A quadrilateral is any shape that has four sides and four angles. The most common ones that we think about, what we consider regular shapes, are your square, which is a quadrilateral with four right angles or square corners, and all the sides are the same length. A rectangle, this is also a very common quadrilateral that once again has four right angles or square corners, but the opposite sides are equal in length. So this side would be equal to this side, and the opposite side here would be equal or congruent to the other one. A rhombus is a quadrilateral with all sides equal in length. So each ones have the same length, just like the square. The difference here is that it does not have four square corners like a square does. A pentagon is a closed shape with exactly five sides and five angles. Okay. A triangle is a two-dimensional closed shape with exactly three sides and three angles. You can absolutely classify triangles in more than one way here, but for our purpose, we're just learning that a three-sided shape with three angles is a triangle. And then, of course, a hexagon is a closed shape with exactly six sides and six angles. Hopefully, you will enjoy creating and learning about these shapes for the rest of the unit.